Wait. Just hold. My tanks start moving slow.
Across.
I think you can slow past us.
Yeah, come not just go past it. Go past it now. Go change CC again. Go change CC again. You can mount up,
running,
guys.
running.
You can mount up.
I think they're going to
They're going off.
static. Yeah, static.
You can mount up. They're not trying to fight, man. They just baited their OC.
Watch out, you can engage.
Come north. Then dismount. Ready defensive nerd. Look on the front. Pop your pass. Yo, wrap around them. Come north. Yo, buy the wall now. Easy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Buy the ball on the east side, boys. Wipe this. Okay. You wrap around now. Just farm them. Yo, help on the southwest. Just go. Kill the healers. Kill all the healers. Device on the north. Hold now. Come south now. Walk south. Walk with them south. Heal Pajapa in the southwest. Come south. Just stay on top of them. Keep fighting. Look for the crown. Wait. Ready to press on the east side. Wait, just come northeast now. Ready northeast. 5, deep. 4, 3, 2, 1. On the northeast side now. By the wall, boys. Come north now. Keep walking. Ready to press on the middle. Come north. Ready to press on the middle. Come north. Hills on the west. Help the guys on the south. Yo, keep wiping them. Come north now. Yo, come south here. Come south again. Keep killing them. They're broken. Just come north. Just be careful. Just spread more. Careful on the north. So inside us. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything inside. Wipe the shitters, man. Just come south. Ready to defense. Just spread around. Play on the outside now. Yo, heals on the east. Nice heals. Come north now. Yo, hold. Just keep fighting. Kill their healers more. Wait. Drop duties. Come southeast now. We're gonna engage southeast. East side. By the wall. Come southeast. Yo, inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now. Delete this. Nice. Come northwest now. Yo, spread inside. Yo, help the guys on the west. Where's the core man? Yo, someone chase the core man.
The protect in dungeon now.
They're on the static. Yo, someone chase. Everyone fight there. Just wipe this. Keep wiping this. Come north.
Martin, this dungeon goes straight to south town Bordeaux.
What? Sorry. Yo, keep wiping this, then go to the static. Keep killing. Chase the gold vortex on the static.
Hello, need to revive in static. If there's a healer.
Where's the
Shit.
gold vortex? Inside?
Uh,
The whole protect is wrong way. Middle.
Okay.
We need
Get
we
inside the
need
static.
healer.
They're on the northeast side. Take the northeast
Yeah.
side. We need healers. Sprint, boys. Use your sprints.
Healers. Let's go.
What the fuck? Where's the vortex?
I have it.
The middle.
Okay, wait, guys. They're here. Come southwest. We need healers. I need heals. Come southwest. Yo, ready south. You have the vortex, Sam? Come south.
Yeah.
We have the bottom now.
We need healers. Yo, come southeast. Kill the mobs first. Kill the mobs inside. Keep healing the guys inside. Yo, just wait. Just keep healing. Keep killing the mobs. Oh my god, we're getting wiped by mobs. Come south now. Move southeast.
They come back.
Yo, you can flank them. The southwest guys, you can flank them. Come south, boys. Move southeast. Leave the mouse. We're gonna get shot. Deep south. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the choke. Keep pushing them. Come southeast. Kill these guys, man.
Go in Judy and heal.
Yo, we need
Judy,
heals on
Judy,
the
and you.
south. I'm on the ping. I need heal. Heal Martin. Come southwest, boys. We're gonna engage on this, guys. Inside. 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest, guys. Southwest. Engage on that. Nice, man. Nice. Keep walking. Drop duties. Grab duty, spread. Keep rolling now. Come southwest now. Kill everyone inside. Just hold. Just spread more. Boys. Look on the north. We're gonna engage. Next engage, we're gonna engage on the northeast side. Just wait. 5 seconds on the northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the north side now. Kill everyone on the north. Keep killing these guys. Okay, come southwest now. Come south, kill this guys. Wipe them. Yo, heals on the front, heals on the middle. Yo, stop clubbing on the middle. Drop you this. Come southwest. Keep killing these guys. You wipe them. You loot them. He loot now. Careful the rats, Careful on the rats.
We got the vortex.
Okay, we slowly move northwest now, boys. Come northwest.
Clear the mob, please. Hello?
Yeah, clear the mobs. Oh my god, guys. The mobs did more damage than the enemies. Careful rat, guys. Just stay within the blob so no one can be ratted. Okay, slowly move northwest while we clear the mobs.